Assalamualaikum and hi, we from Group 1. For this coursework GIF 417 Solid State Physics, our group choose question number 1. Before that, we want to introduce ourselves. My name is Rosnani binti Muhammad Jamaluddin. My metric number is JP/8289/12.
My name is Norain binti Hussein. My metric number is JP8166/12.
My name Muhammad Hanif bin Marham, JP/806.
Question number 1. What is the meaning of atomic packing factor APF in crystal structure? The answer: coordination number of nearest neighbor to a particular atom in the crystal, touching atom. Atomic packing factor APF, the sum of the sphere's volume of all atoms within a unit cell divided by the volume of the unit cell.
This is formula for atomic packing factor. APF is equal to volume of atoms in unit cell. We assume hard spheres divided by volume of unit cell. The next question is, you are given a small bar of an unknown metal. You find the density of the metal to be 11.5 gram over centimeter cube. An X-ray diffraction experiment measures the age of the face-centered cubic unit cell as 4.06 times 10^10 meter. Find the gram atomic weight of this metal and tentatively identify it. To get the answer, we need to convert the value of FCC unit cell to centimeter. 4.06 times 10 to the power negative 10 meter times 100 centimeter divided by 1 meter. So we get 4.06 times 10 to the power negative 8 centimeter. Next is determine the volume of the unit cube. Vc is equal to 8 the power of 3. A is the value of FCC unit cell. So we got 6.692 times 10 the power of negative 23 centimeter.
To determine the mass of metal in the unit cube, the density of to determine the atomic weight based on FCC for atom per and the weight
That's all from our group. Thank you for watching our video.